Right, normally I'm not a huge fan of these plastic machines, well, plastic machines in general, but this one gets a pass. This is a red marbled Bakelite Voss. A very pretty machine. Now, people who know these machines may already notice that the chrome trim is completely missing, but after being scammed by one German, I did find another German with a parts machine that I bought, so I can just take the trim off this one, which is already cracked. And this is also one of the issues I don't like plastic machines, because they can crack quite easily, unfortunately. So let's take this one out, or off the bottom plate. There we go. Carriage lock was on. That's easy. Removing the ribbon cover. Removing the ribbon itself seems fairly straightforward as well. Looks like it's a bit mangled in there. Let's put this on red, it's going to be easier. Gonna keep it higher. That's fun too, it's the first ribbon I got that's blue and red. Cool. Before I attempt to remove any of those. Right, that's that. Okay, let's get the back panel off. You, what the okay, so probably gonna need to replace that. Next, back panel over here. Crunchy. So this entire thing has pieces of felt in there. Oh great. Next thing I'm going to do is take the front panel off. As I can see it, the entire paper wrist, the entire tie bar wrist comes out with it, which is an odd design choice, but let's see how bad this part is cracked. That's just sad. What are those nice paper thingies, or felt thingies? Yummy. Well, that's just sad. I hope I can somehow fix that. Okay, so the Platen, I think, is just screwing out, because I didn't see any. color screws or whatever. That's relatively nice. Is the paper tray just loose in there? The paper tray is just loose in there. Also easy. And it just comes out as well. Let's see. This back plate over here is held on by 2 screws. Shouldn't be too difficult either. Oh my god, no, it's already cracked over here as well. Oh, that's so fucking sad. And oh no, over here too. Oh shit. Looks like I bought myself a shit machine. Well, that just sucks. That really sucks. But it is what it is. And that's the reason I usually avoid plastic machines. All brittle and cracky and stuff. Well, too bad. Nothing I can do about it now. Let's see what I can figure out by getting the feet off. This screw over here is connected to the color selector, and the color selector is connected to the shell, so I need to disconnect this one first before I can start removing the shell. Right, this is quite an annoying thing to do. It's basically that screw over here that's now all nice and wet with penetrating oil that you need to try to get out on each side. That's somewhat loose. I can use a thinner screwdriver to just get it out. There we go. That weird washer. So, moving on to the top of the machine. You notice this screw over here. Then moving to the bottom. It is that screw over there, which is impossible to get at if you don't have something that's thin. Cylinder. There we go. And after you remove all those screws and make sure you disconnect that. Haha. Dan toch nog even dingen. And make sure you move the carriage lock out of the way. You can get this pretty shell off. Don't overstretch it because it is still brittle. I'm gonna now move this carriage to over there. There we go. That's it. Here we have the Voss, and as you can see, those are all brass inserts, so you can totally mess them up with your regular screws. I think that's it for this video. Time to clean this lovely insert. And I'll see you guys back on the review video, or when I encounter something silly that needs to be fixed as well. Bye bye.